shop now, and here's an actual example of what we discussed on the board. I've got 3 examples. They're all done very well. I like this one the most, although they're all acceptable. The key is you need tight joinery between here. So your mill work at your table needs to be done accurately. The nailing was done in sequence very neatly. That's important. The ledger board, you have to recognize its moisture content and work with it so you're not splitting the wood as you nail. We'll be doing ones exactly like this. There's many versions of a safety ladder. These ones here, they're done well. You try to avoid stuff like this. Sometimes this is damaged. This isn't the best material to use. The joinery in here is also good. Being flush, you want to produce these quickly and safely. So you need accuracy at the same time. This one's okay. The joinery is not quite as good, but it's acceptable. It's a tolerance we'll accept. This is a nice one. This is what you aim to achieve. This one here. And your fingers are your most accurate eyeball when you're filling this out. Now we're going to go over to the table over here, and I'm going to show you how to lay it out. But first, we're all going to have these tools. Your hard hats, obviously, you have. What you'll need for this shop is the hammer, speed, square, tape. This is important. This type of square is important for us working on a cut table. You may not jump around the hole and do your work with one of these every day, but if you're going to be doing mill work, you'll want one of these. Obviously, a pencil, safety glasses. You've hooked up your power line. You make sure you're on a GFCI breaker in line. You have a sharp blade. And to safely cut the wood, you're going to make sure that you set your blade to the right depth of the wood you're cutting. In this case, you'd have to set it twice, for the thickness of 1.5 inches, for the thickness of the ledger board material. As far as the fasteners goes for this project, you need the right size nail to make it work right. A 6-penny is too small, common. Obviously a 10, 12, or a 16 is too big. The 8-penny for this 1-inch stock into this stock seems to be the best size thing to safely fasten the ladder. So I'll pick you 2 guys. Why don't you show me layout, take a minute and lay out one of the side pieces for the ledger board. Let them start.